Now this channel makes over $1,000 every day, and if you calculate that by 30 days, that is $30,000. So on average, this channel makes anywhere between $30,000 to $50,000 just by sharing horror stories. Now, if you come over to YouTube and search for horror stories, you're going to find out that almost all the channels have over 100,000 subscribers. That is to show that this niche is amazing. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create a horror story faceless YouTube channel. And guess what? This type of faceless YouTube channel is one of the easiest YouTube channels to create because you can use AI from start to finish. Trust me, it's super easy, and I'm going to walk you through it all. Now, we're not going to be using ChatGPT because if you have been using ChatGPT for a while, you can agree with me that ChatGPT gives you vague responses, except you're a professional prompt engineer, and not all of us know how to do all those prompting and everything. So I've found a perfect AI tool that is going to help you through the process of creating this AI channel that is going to be making you over $30,000 every single month. So let's quickly go over to Cohesive.so to get started. So now on Cohesive.so, you can see that they have a lot of options, but we're going to be using this one, title for YouTube video, to generate the title for our YouTube video. So we're going to click on it, write a title for a horror story about a lady home alone in a haunted house. So here you can see that it has created an amazing title for us. Now I'm going to copy this right now. I'm going to copy just this one. So we'll come over to script for YouTube video and then use the title that we generated to generate script for our YouTube video. And then it's going to go ahead and generate an amazing script for us. Why I love this platform is that all their stories are very unique as to ChatGPT that just gives you a vague response. Here you can get something very, very unique. Now it has generated the script for us, and it's so amazing. As you can see here, it even gave us the description for the video. So you don't need to start cracking your brains and thinking of the description for your video, because this AI does all the work for you, right? So now that we have the script, it's time to do the voicing, and we're going to be using this platform again because they have one of the best AI human-like voices. Okay, we'll copy this one and then we'll go over to the voiceover section, which is here. If you come over to Cohesive.so, you're going to click on voice, and then you can test out all the voices here. You have a lot of options to choose. You have favorites, you have English, you have French, German, and so on and so forth, depending on the language you want to use, but we're going to be using English. So we're going to paste in the script that we copied here, and we're going to select here. We'll select Sam. Okay, and then you click on go, and voila, it has done the voiceover in less than 1 second. How incredible is this? And if we play that now, we can see that it sounds so realistic.
Today, I have a spine-tingling story that will send shivers down your spine.
So now that we have generated the audio for our script, the next thing we're going to do is to just click on this download button here, and it's going to download to your device. How incredible is this? And then to turn our voiceover to a video, we need a picture that we're going to be using for the video. And to generate the picture, all we have to do is to come over to Blue Willow. I've done a tutorial in the past on how to use Blue Willow. You can click here to watch it after watching this video, and I will leave the link in the description so that you can go ahead and watch that after watching this video, of course. Now, if you come over to Blue Willow, all you have to do is to type in your prompt, and in this case, it's just a picture of a lady looking scared, surrounded by ghosts in a horror haunted house. So yes, this is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and upscale this number 2 here. So click on upscale number 2. Now, if you're wondering the prompts that I use in generating these amazing pictures, I've updated it in my prompt library that I'm giving out for free. Now, all you have to do is to join my official Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description, and then you can have access to the prompt library. Currently, I have 51 prompts. So to piece everything together, I'm going to be using CapCut, but you can use any video editor whatsoever. Why I'm using CapCut is because CapCut is totally free. So we're going to come over here and import the pictures that we're going to be using, and also the audio that we downloaded from Cohesive.so. So now we have the pictures and we have the audio from Cohesive.so, and we're going to just drag and drop. So we'll drag this picture like so, drop it like so, and we'll drag the audio, put it like so. All right, so now we have the perfect video, and the next thing we're going to do is to just go ahead and export this, and then you title it and click on export, export the video, and voila, our video is ready. So go ahead and create multiple videos, and make sure you have up to 30 videos before you create your channel. So let's assume that we have all the videos that we need to get started, and we're going to go over to creating our channel so I can show you the secrets of how to create a channel that is going to get a lot of success. Now, to create our channel, the first thing we need to do is to create a Gmail account, and to do that we have to go over to gmail.com to create our Gmail account. Then with the Gmail account, we can now create a perfect YouTube channel. So before we jump into creating the YouTube channel, let's first come up with a name for our channel. And this is where Cohesive.so comes in handy again. So here, all you have to do is to just scroll down and you're going to see brand name generator. You click on brand name generator and it's going to ask you to suggest a brand name, company name for whatever. So you're going to explain what you want it to generate for you. So for our case, generate a horror YouTube channel. And here you can see that it has created 10 YouTube channel names for us. And the next thing we're going to do now is to create the YouTube channel using any of the channel names that his AI created for us. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, Shadows of Terror. Why don't you take this moment to like this video if you haven't done that yet? Thank you. And now we have created the Google account. The next thing we're going to do is to head over to YouTube and create the YouTube channel. So all I have to do right now is to go over to youtube.com. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click here, come down and click on create a channel. The next thing we're going to do is to generate a logo or a picture for our YouTube channel. And to do that, you come over to Microsoft Edge and type in binge.com/chat. And then you make sure you click on creative. And here you can ask it to generate a logo for you and it's going to do just that. And here you have it, it has generated a logo for us. And what I'm going to do next is to select this one and we'll have it here. You go ahead and right click and click on save. And then we'll go over to YouTube, click on upload to upload it. So now our channel has been created. The next thing we're going to do is to customize the channel. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on customize channel. And here you can see that we need to upload our YouTube channel banner and we're going to go over to Canva to create that. So when you come over to Canva, come right here, type in YouTube, and then you're going to see YouTube banner. Click on YouTube banner, and then you're going to see lots of templates. Don't look for anything fancy, just go for minimal design. And if you're choosing your design, make sure you choose a design like this so that it can work for both big screen and mobile screen as well. So we're going to click on customize this template. Now by design, our channel color should be black and red, and we already have this in purple. So all I'm going to do right now is to delete all these colors and change this to black. So now we'll come over here and we're going to click on upload and select the banner that we created on Canva. And here you have it. We have selected our banner and that is what we have to do for this. And then we're going to click on publish to make sure that we've saved everything that we've created. So now that we're done with the branding, we're going to come over to basic info and we're going to put in our description and make sure that our handle is set and our name is set properly. So we're going to generate a description for our channel and we're going to go over to Cohesive.so to generate our description for us. So now on Cohesive.so, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to select hook generator. Write a hook for a horror YouTube channel and then you click on go. So now it has written the channel description for us and it's amazing that it even used this kind of emoji like ghost and knife. This is so funny and amazing as well. So all we have to do now is to copy this, although I'm going to make some edits and put some human feel to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this first. And then we're going to go over to our YouTube channel and paste it in the description. So we'll come over here and paste this here. So I will change this to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Now, the next thing you're going to do here is to come over to settings. And then on the settings, you're going to see channel. Now, keywords is very important. A lot of people miss out this part. A lot of people don't even tell you about this part. But I'm going to tell you because I don't gatekeep on this channel. And this is more reasons why you have to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And so now we're going to generate the keywords, but no, we're not going to be generating it by ourselves. We're going to go over to an existing channel and lift their keywords and use that so that YouTube can match their viewers with ours and give us a very big boost. Smart, right? So all we have to do is to come over to YouTube and select any channel that is doing well. You click on any channel that is doing well, and then here you're going to see the channel keywords. And then you're going to go ahead and copy it. And by the way, if you can't see this on your channel, then you have to install vidIQ, you have to install TubeBuddy, and you have to install Social Blade. These are the 3 AIs that will give you all the statistics that you're seeing here on my channel. So now I'm going to go ahead and copy these keywords here you can see it now. You can see all the keywords here, and all I have to do is to just click on copy. So come over here and just go ahead and paste it here. Voila, we're ready. So here you select your country of residence. So here you come over to advanced settings. Now you want to just select this if your channel is not meant for kids, but if your channel is meant for kids, you go ahead and select this one, okay? If your channel is not meant for kids, make sure you select this one so that you don't have to keep selecting it over and over again. Now I'm going to show you how to upload your videos and optimize it for a greater opportunity of blowing up on YouTube. Now to do that, all you have to do is to click on create and click on upload videos, and then click on select files. Now this is why I love Cohesive.so. I don't have to start cracking my head right now to look for description for my video. You know, it can be very tasking. So all I have to do is to go over to Cohesive.so, because the script that they wrote for us for this video, they also wrote the description. So all I need to do is to just go over there, copy it and paste it here. So I'm going to just copy and go over to the channel and then come over here and paste it here. So I'm just going to add a here. So now we have this. So now the next thing we're going to do is to upload our thumbnail. Remember that we generated the thumbnail with Blue Willow. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that. So now we have our thumbnail ready. The next thing we're going to do is to put in our tags. But hey, remember, we are using AI for all this, so we don't need to crack our brain. So what do we do now? We're going to go over to YouTube and copy tags there and put it on our channel, and we're good to go. So we'll come over to YouTube again, and we're going to search a haunted house horror story, right? Because that is what our video is all about. But what we're going to do is we're going to select the one with the highest number of views in shortest amount of time. Now this one is 8 months ago. It's very okay. 8 months ago, 1.8 million. It's okay. So we're going to select that. So now you can see a summary of this video. It has gotten 1.8 million views, and then you can see the tags for the video. So all we have to do is to click on copy, and we're going to click on all to make sure that we select all, and then we'll click on copy to clipboard. So we'll come over to our channel and put it here, and we're going to make sure that it doesn't have any channel name to it. Now here is one. So we're going to just go ahead and remove this one. And now our Faceless YouTube channel is ready, created by AI and mixed together by human. I'm talking about Faceless YouTube channel. Here is a video that I recommend that you go and watch next, so that you can learn more creative Faceless YouTube channel that you can start making money from it right away. So go ahead and watch it right now and thank me later. Ciao.